A fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. If, however, 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. What is the fraction? So here given a fraction to add 1 both numerator and denominator, we get 4 by 5, and the fraction to subtract with 5 both numerator and denominator, then it will be equal to 1 by 2. So what is the fraction given? Okay, so fraction is in the form of p by q. So that one, it has numerator and denominator, that one we don't know. So we feel numerator and denominator of the fraction are x and y. So let the numerator of the fraction x and the denominator of the fraction y. Now the fraction is x by y. Now this fraction to add 1, then we get 4 by 5. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, of the fraction then it is 4 by 5. It is equal to 4 by 5 given. So now 1 is adding both the numerator and denominator. So x plus 1 by y plus 1 equal to 4 by 5. Now by the cross multiplication, 5 into x plus 1 equal to 4 into y plus 1. So 5 into x plus 1 is nothing but 5x plus 5, and that 4 into y plus 1 is nothing but 4y plus 4. Now this plus 4y plus 4 transferring this side, that is minus 4y minus 4. Here 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 5x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now the second step given, if the 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 2. So if 5 subtracting from both numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 2. That is only here given. So x minus 5 by y minus 5 equal to 1 by 2. Now by that cross multiplication, 2 into x minus 5 equal to 1 into y minus 5. So 2 is multiplying with x minus 5, that is nothing but 2x minus 10 equal to 1 multiplied with y minus 5 means that is nothing but y minus 5. Now plus y minus 5 transferring this side, that is minus y plus 5. So 2x minus 10 minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So that is 2x minus y minus 10 plus 5, that is nothing but minus 5 equal to 0. Now it is second equation. So here first equation 5x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 k. Second equation 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0 k. Now this problem is solving through elimination method. So here x coefficient is 5 and here x coefficient is 2 and here y coefficient is minus 4 and here y coefficient is minus 1. So equalizing the y coefficients. So here y coefficient is minus 4 and here y coefficient is minus 1. So both coefficients are minus 4. So simply the second equation is multiplying with 4. So the first equation as it is writing. So the first equation 5x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Now the second equation is multiplying with 4. So 4 into the second equation, that is 4 2s 8x minus 4 1s 4 minus 4 5s 20 equal to 0. Now here both are minus 4 only, that purpose subtracting. So here the symbols will be changed, plus will be minus, minus will be plus and minus will be plus. Minus 8x plus 5x, that is nothing but minus 3x and minus 4y plus 4y, both one gets cancelled. 1 plus 20, that is 21 equal to 0. Now plus 21 transfer to that side, minus 21 minus 3x equal to minus 21. Now multiplication minus 3 transferring that side, that is plus, that is division minus 3. So minus 3 once, minus 3 sevens, minus 21. So 7 by 1 is nothing but 7. So x equal to 7 we get. X is nothing but numerator. So numerator 7 we get. Now we finding the denominator. So in the second equation if we substitute x value, so from equation 2, 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. So 2 into 7 minus y minus 5 equal to 0. 2 7s 14, 14 minus y minus 5 equal to 0. 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9. 9 minus 5 equal to 0. So minus y transfer to that side, plus y. So y equal to 9. So the denominator of the fraction is 9. So the numerator and denominator of the fractions are 7 and 9. So therefore the fraction is seven by 9. Okay. So if 7 by 9 to both numerator and denominator to 1 adding. So 7 plus 1, that is nothing but 8 and 9 plus 1, that is nothing but 10. So 8 by 10. 8 by 10 to simplification doing, that is nothing but 4 by 5. So that is only given. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, we get 4 by 5. Next, if subtracting with 5, so 7 minus 5, that is nothing but 3, and that is nothing but 2, not 3, and 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4, 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 5 is subtracting, then we get 1 by 2. Okay, so here we get 7 and 9 as a numerator and denominator, that are correct only. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from point A and another from point B at the same time at different speeds. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the cars? So two cars there, they are starting from point A and point B with different speeds. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. If the both cars are in same direction, they will be meet in 5 hours. So this information to write as linear equation and solve, and we have to get the speeds of the two cars. Okay, so now we feel speeds of the cars from point A is x and point B is y. So let speed of first car from point A, starting one is x kilometers per hour. Next, speed of second car from point B equal to y kilometers per hour, that is given, and here both points between distance 100 kilometers given. So distance between two points equal to 100 kilometers given. 100 kilometers distance there between the point A and point B. Now, so first the two cars met at 5 hours after. So in 5 hours, first car travelled how many kilometers and second car travelled how many kilometers distance. So first one time given 5 hours. So in 5 hours, first car travelled distance, first car travelled distance equal to, so distance is nothing but speed into time. So the speed is x kilometers and the time is 5 hours. So that is nothing but 5x kilometers. Second car travelled distance, that is second car speed y and travelled time 5 hours. So that is nothing but 5y kilometers. Next one given, the second time is 1 hour. So in 1 hour, first car travelled distance that is, so speed into time, so x into 1 hour, that is nothing but x kilometers, and second car traveled distance, that is nothing but speed into time, so y into 1, that equal to y kilometers, and here if the both cars traveled in same direction, then they met yet 5 hours after. So if both cars traveled in same direction, then the equation can be written as, so both cars, that means x and y, both points to traveled one, so 5x minus 5y, so both are in the same direction, means we will take their speeds will be decreasing model, then only one is cast to another one, so 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. So now here both x and y coefficients are 5, so 5 is the common number, so 5 taking common, then we can write 5 into x minus y, that equal to 100 can be written as 520s. So this multiplication 5 transfer to that side, that is nothing but division, so 5 into 20 by 5, 5 ones, 5 ones, so 20 by 1, that is nothing but 20, so x minus y equal to 20, it is the first equation. Next second one given, if both cars towards each other they met at 1 hour after, so if both cars traveled in opposite direction towards each other, means that is opposite direction, then we can write their speeds just like increasing, so x plus y equal to 100 in that second equation, x plus y, that is nothing but 100. Okay, now if these two equations to solve, we get x and y values, that are nothing but speeds of car A and car B, so at point A and at point B, that one. So here solving purpose, if we here we taking from the second equation, if we can write y equal to plus x transfer to this side, that is minus x, 100 minus x. Now this y value substituting in equation 1, so we follow the substitution method, so substituting y value in equation 1, so x minus y equal to 20 given. Now x minus y equal to 100 minus x given, so x minus 100 minus x equal to 20. Now minus to multiplication, it is minus 100, it is plus x, so x minus 100 plus x equal to 20, x plus x, 2x minus 100 equal to 20, minus 100 transfer to that side, that is plus 100, 100 plus 20, that is nothing but 120, 2x equal to 120, then x equal to 120 by 2, that is 60. Now x equal to 60 value substituting here, y equal to 100 minus x, that means 100 minus 60, 100 minus 60 equal to 40, so y equal to 40, So x and y are nothing but speeds of car A and car B from point A and point B. So therefore speed of first car x equal to 60 kilometers per hour. Speed of second car y equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, now if we substitute these values in these equations, x plus y, 60 plus 40 equal to 100, and here x minus y, 60 minus 40 equal to 20. So we get 60 and 40 kilometers per hour speeds of the two cars are correct only. Here given the another problem, two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the measure of the smaller angle. Find the measure of each angle. So here the two given angles are complementary. So complementary angle means sum of any two angles is 90 degrees. Then they are called complementary angles. So now we feel, let the two complementary angles are x and y degrees. Then we can write x plus y equal to 90 degrees. It will be taken as equation 1. Now the second one is given, the larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the measure of the smaller angle. So we can write this one as x equal to twice the measure of smaller. So 2y to 3 degrees less, so minus 3. So x equal to 2y minus 3. Now here we get the two equations. Now we solve this problem through elimination method. So through elimination method solving purpose, now this plus 2y transferring to this 2y minus 2y, x minus 2y equal to minus 3 degrees. It is the second equation. Now if we observe, both were x coefficients are 1 1 same only. So direct subtracting. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So x minus 2y equal to minus 3 degrees and x plus y equal to 90 degrees. Now subtracting, so we have to change in the symbols. The plus will be minus s. X minus x gets cancelled. Minus 2y minus y, that is minus 3y equal to minus 3 minus 90, that is minus 93. So y equal to minus 3y equal to minus 93. So multiplication minus 3 transfer to this side, that is division, minus 93 by minus 3. Minus minus gets cancelled, 3 ones, 3 31s. 31 by 3 is nothing but by 1 is nothing but 31 only. Now the y value is substituting in the first equation from equation 1. X plus y equal to 90. So x plus 31 equal to 90. X equal to, so this plus 31 transfer to that side, minus 31. 90 minus 31. So x equal to, that is 59 degrees. So x equal to 59 degrees, y equal to 31 degrees. So the two complementary angles are 59 and 31 degrees. Therefore the two complementary angles are 59 degrees and 31 degrees. Okay, given problem, a chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid in stock. One is 50% solution and the other is 80% solution. How much of each should be used to obtain 100 milliliters of a 68% solution? So he has two solutions there. We have to find each one is how much solution. Okay, so let chemist has first solution is x milliliters and the second solution is y milliliters. So the chemist has totally 100 milliliters bottle need. Okay, so he has to get 100 milliliters. So now x plus y is nothing but 100. X plus y equal to 100. So it is the first equation. Now the second equation purpose here given, one is 50% and another one is 80%. Solutions are mixing, then he get 68% solution, that is given. Okay, so 50% of x and 80% of y are mixing, then we get 68% of 100 milliliters solution. Now this information will be right as equation, then 50% of x plus 80% of y equal to 68% of 100 milliliters. So that means 100. Okay, now if we removing that percentage of, then we can write denominator 100. So 50 x by 100 plus 80 y by 100 is nothing but 68 into 100 by 100. So here if we observe the two fractions, they have the denominator 100. So they are the like fractions. So if we add the numerators, 50x plus 80y by 100 equal to 68 into 100 by 100. Now here if we observe, both the fractions have the same denominator 100, so it will be cancelled. So 50x plus 80y equal to 68 into 100. Now both the fractions, both the numbers 50x 80y observed, both has 10 multiple. So 10 common taking, now we can write 10 into 5x plus 8y. 10 into 5x 50x, 10 into 8y 80y, that equal to 68 into 100. Now multiplication 10 transfer to this side, that is nothing but division. 5x plus 8y equal to 68 into 100 by 10. 10 ones are 10 tens are that means 68 into 10, that is nothing but 680. So 5x plus 8y is nothing but 680. It is the second equation. Now we get the first equation, x plus y equal to 100, and the second equation 5x plus 8y equal to 680. Now both the equations are solving through elimination method. So here for that first equation and second equation, x coefficients are equalizing. Now first equation and second equation to x coefficients are 1 and 5. So the first equation is multiplying with 5. So first equation is multiplying with 5. The first equation is x plus y equal to 100. Now it is multiplying with 5. So 5 into x, 5x, and 5 into y, 5y, equal to 5 into 100, 500. Now the second equation, that is directly writing, that is 5x plus 8y equal to 680. So 5x plus 8y equal to 680. Now subtracting the equations, so the symbols are changing, it will be minus minus minus. 5x minus 5x gets cancelled. 5x minus 8y, that is minus 3y. So my 500 minus 680, that is nothing but minus 180. So minus 3y equal to minus 180. So y equal to minus 180 by minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones, 3 60s. 60 by 1 is nothing but 60. Now the y value substituting in equation 1. From equation 1, x plus y equal to 100. Now y value substituting as 60, x plus 60 equal to 100. Now plus 60 transfer to that side, minus 60, x equal to 100 minus 60. 100 minus 60 is nothing but 40. Okay, so here the first solution is x means 40 ml there, second solution is y, that is 60 ml there. Therefore the first solution x equal to 40 milliliters and the second solution y equal to 60 milliliters there. Okay.